In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a custom domain without alias records. No complicated tech talk, just step by step so you can get it done without pulling your hair out. So when you first created your account, you picked a subdomain, something like yoursite.onlinecoursehost.com. That's fine, but if you want your very own domain name like onlineschool.com, here's how to make it happen. First, log into your site. Click Admin Domain Name, and under My Custom Domain, hit Custom Domain. You'll see a box where the magic starts. Now, before you type anything in there, a few quick things you need to know. You have to actually own the domain you're using. The system is built to work easily with subdomains like courses.onlineschool.com. If you're using a main domain, onlineschool.com, your DNS provider has to allow alias records. If they don't, just stick a www in front of it. Problem solved? All right, here's what I recommend. Open 3 tabs: your course website, your DNS provider, and dnschecker.org. That's where we'll check if your records are set up right. Back on your course site, type your domain with the www in the box, no spaces, tick the I confirm I own this domain box, then click Start Activation. On the next page, you'll get your first CNAME record. Copy the subdomain. Head to your DNS manager and paste it into the name or host field. Quick tip, remove your domain name from the end of it. Your DNS will add it automatically, so leaving it in there will just repeat it. Next, choose CNAME as the record type. Now grab the value from your course site and paste it into the target or data or value field in your DNS. Pick your TTL, that's time to live. Set it to 60 seconds if you can. If not, just pick the lowest available. Then save. Go to dnschecker.org, paste the subdomain, select CNAME, and search. If you see green check marks, great. If not, give it time. Once it's propagating, go back and click Check Certificate. You'll get a second CNAME record. This first record was for SSL, that little padlock in the browser. The second one actually makes your domain load your courses. For this second one, copy the value, put www in the host name, choose CNAME, set TTL, paste the value, and save. Check it on dnschecker.org again. This one usually takes 10 to 20 minutes, so be patient. When it's ready, hit Check Website, and boom, your domain is live. Open it in a new tab just to be sure. One more thing. Right now, it'll only load with www. If you want it to load with or without www, go to your DNS manager and set up a redirect or forwarding. Then redirect your naked domain to the full one. Now pick Permanent 301 Redirect. Choose to redirect with or without HTTPS if available on your end. Then save. Wait about 20 minutes, test it, and you're done. If you ever want to switch domains, click Reset Domain, enter the confirmation code, and wait at least 10 minutes before activating a new one. Oh, and don't delete any of the CNAME records you added. That's it. You're all set to give your course website a pro custom domain without messing with alias records.